Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we discuss our topic linear algebra. Linear equations, types of linear equations, solution of linear equations, solution of homogeneous equation. First of all, we discuss how to derive equation. The equation is an algebraic expression in which equal sign is used. In real life, let's suppose that we want to find the height of a tree and a student. We derive an equation in which the height of a tree is x and height of a student is y. Then y is equal to 0.5x. Let's suppose x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 0.5. Similarly, we can find other values. Similarly, we derive other equations to solve the problem. In linear algebra, the branch of mathematics deal with the study of linear equation is called linear algebra. Equations is the algebraic expression in which equal sign is used, and linear equation is the equation in which the power of a variable is 1. There are three main topics in linear algebra: matrix, linear function, vectors. Metrics are firstly introduced in ninth and first year class. So we discuss firstly matrices. Linear equation. Consider the system of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to k, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to k2, and a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to k3. The equation in which this system in which more than one equations linear equation is used called the system of linear equation. The main difference between coefficient and constant is that constant is a simple number and coefficient is a number which is multiplied by a variable. In this system of linear equation, a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 a3 b3 c3 is coefficients, and k1 k2 k3 are constant. X, y and z are variable. In matrix form, we can write as a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 a3 b3 c3 is name the matrices A, and x y z is capital X, and k1 k2 k3 is equal to b. The matrix form can be write as ax is equal to b. Types of linear equation. There are two types of system of linear equation: homogeneous system of linear equation and non-homogeneous system of linear equation. The equation in which b is equal to 0, it is called the homogeneous system of linear equation. Ax is equal to 0, b is equal to 0, and 0 mean k1 k2 k3 constant will be 0, only 0, not a number. If the b is equal to any number is not equal to 0, then it is called non-homogeneous system of linear equation, and we can write as ax is equal to b. The main difference between coefficient matrix and argument matrices: a is equal to a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 and a3 b3 c3. The main difference is that coefficients are present in both matrices, but augmented matrix k1 k2 k3 is also present. Solution of system of linear equation. Solution means the values to find r variables in the given system of linear equation which satisfied the equation is called the solution. The numbers which satisfied the equations the numbers which satisfied the equation is called solution of the equations. This number is the value of a variable. There are three types of solutions can be obtained from any linear equation: unique solution, infinite many solution, no solution. Infinite many solution can be obtained if the number of equation is less than the number of unknowns. Solution of homogeneous equation. We know that homogeneous equation is the equation in which the matrix B is equal to 0. B is equal to 0 mean k1, k2, k3 is 0. There are two types of solution of homogeneous equation are of two types: trivial solution and non-trivial solution. In trivial solution, the value of our variables, all variables mean in our system variables are x, y and z, and the value of x, y and z is equal to 0. In non-trivial solution, there is at least one value of a variable is non-zero. For example, x is not equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. But x is not equal to 0, y is not equal to 0 and z is not equal to 0. In non-trivial solution, three variables is non-zero, one is non-zero, two is non-zero. At least the main condition is that at least one variable is non-zero. In next lecture, we see that what is echelon form, what is the difference between echelon and reduced echelon form.